Hello guys, myself Trend Academy. Welcome back to this new video, and this is the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero with me using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is level 15 and episode 12. And in this video, the level goal is that the password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of this current level. So basically, we have to submit the password of level 14, which we retrieved here. From this directory which we retrieved, we need to give this password to this server which is hosted locally, and the port number is also given. So in this level, we first need to connect to the server. First, let's get into the machine, get into the lab. So we have saved the password. So let's connect. The command for connecting the server, the lab, is ssh-p, and here if you have the private key that in the previous video through which you got the access, if you have that private key, then you can directly log in using ssh-i, then private key, and then make that private key just private. The read and write policy should not be in group. Okay, I hope you have watched the previous video and now you can understand what I am trying to say. And for now, here you can see, if you will write LSA, here you can see very few things which are already hidden. So first we check that in the system there is nothing. Here what we need to do is that we are going to use this command, which is nc. Nc means netcat. Netcat is a command line tool through which you can connect to any server, and basically it is a type of client based interface which works on which does not work on GUI mode. Okay, it works only on client based interface like this terminal. Okay, using the commands like this. So for now we need to connect to the localhost. So for that we will use nc, which is netcat, and there are some more uses of this tool, like network debugging, like creating a reverse shell and bind shell, and these shells will be covered in upcoming videos. So there is no need for any kind of things like what is reverse shell. You do not need to understand that much. Just understand netcat is a tool, and for now we are just using this tool for retrieving or sending data over a particular server which with a particular port number. So we will give this command netcat localhost 30,000, and boom, we got the connection to the server. Because if there was any error, then it will give some error, but it did not. So basically we can give something. We need to give some input so that an proper output will come. So as per the question, we need to submit the password, and the password is the previous level password was this. So when we will submit, it will give the password to the next level. And here you can see we exited it, and we will save the password, and boom, we got the access to the next level. So basically this lab is designed just for understanding like how the data is sent over a server without GUI mode, and how a person can particularly connect and send data to any server using port number and just the IP address. Here the IP address is the localhost. Localhost means that the website or the web server is hosted locally. So you just need to give a connection and just give a proper input, and you will get an output. So this was all in this level. Let's see you guys in the upcoming level. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay secure. Regards, Trend Academy.